everyone. So when we are creating a safe and creative environment, it is super important to get ourselves into a more relaxed and open mindset. And one way to do this is by doing some relaxation exercises. Here is how it goes. First, close your eyes and take a deep breath. For the next 30 seconds, we will breathe in slowly and then breathe out, easing the tension in our shoulders and letting them drop. Slowly let go of the day's stress with each exhale and feel calm spread from your shoulders down to your feet. Usually this routine is enough and I can begin drawing. When I'm done, I do the same thing to release any excess tension and to bring myself back to the center. There are lots of different relaxation exercises you can find with just a quick Google search. So feel free to find one that works for you. And you can also take a look at the link below to get started. Remember that you can take as long as you need to do this. There's no time limit. Just breathe and let it flow.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Digital Art for Inner Peace Art Healing course. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.